Today we'll gain some basic knowledge about Constitution through some basic MCQs. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the questions. The first question is, what is the minimum age required to be the President of India? Options are 35 years of age, B 37 years of age, C 38 years of age, or D 40 years of age. The correct answer to this question is option A, that is 35 years of age. The next question is, which of the following is not a constitutional body? Options are A, Election Commission, B, Planning Commission, C, National Advisory Commission, or D, Interstate Commission. The correct answer to this question is option C, that is National Advisory Council. The next question is, which of the following statements regarding the right of the religious denomination are correct? Statements are, first, this article does not take away the right of a state to acquire property belonging to a religious denomination. Second, this article does not create a right in any denomination or a section which it never had. And third statement, Article 25 Clause 1 states that all persons are entitled to freedom of religion. The options are first A, first and second, B, second and third, C, first, second and third, or D, first and third. The correct answer to this question is option C, that is all of the above, that is first, second, third statements are correct regarding the right of religious denominations. The next question is, how much time it took for the Constituent Assembly to finalize the Constitution? Options are A, 2 years 11 months 18 days, B, 2 years 9 months 8 days, C, 2 years 7 months 18 days, or D, 2 years 5 months 20 days. The correct answer to this question is option A, that is it took 2 years 11 months 18 days for the Constituent Assembly to finalize the Constitution. Next question is, under the Constitution of India, who are the ultimate sovereign? Options are A, Indian people, B, Prime Minister of India, C, President of India, and D, all elected leaders of India. The correct answer to this question is option A, that is Indian people are the ultimate sovereign. The next question is, President is the head of the Union Executive. Is the statement A, true, B, false? The correct answer to this question is option A, that is it is true that the President is the head of the Union Executive. The next question is, how many articles are there in the Constitution of India? Options are A, 440 articles, B, 441 articles, C, 448 articles, and D, 443 articles. The correct answer to this question is option C, that is 448 articles are there in the Constitution of India. Indian Constitution had 395 articles divided into 22 parts in each schedule at the time of its commencement. But due to various amendments that happened in the Constitution, now the Constitution of India have 448 articles divided into 25 parts, having 12 schedules, 5 appendices, and 98 amendments altogether. The next question is, how many articles were there originally in the Constitution of India? Options are A, 395, B, 397, C, 403, or D, 410. The correct answer to this question is option A, that is originally Constitution of India had 395 amendments. Articles, sorry. The next question is, when Right to Information Act came into force in India? Options are A, 10th October 2005, B. 11th October 2005, C. 12th October 2005, or D. 13th October 2005? The correct answer to this question is option C, that is, on 12th October 2005, Right to Information Act came into force in India. The next question is, which of the following statements regarding Clause C of the Article 26 of the Indian Constitution, that is, right to own property, are found to be correct? Options are: first statement, under this clause, every religious denomination has right to own and acquire property belonging to a religious body, but it does prevent such property from being acquired by the authority of law or to be assessed to land revenue. Statement 2. The right guaranteed by the Article 26 AC cannot be claimed after the ownership of religious denomination when it is validly terminated. Options are: only first and second are correct, B. only first statement is correct, C. only second statement is correct, or D. neither one nor statement is correct. The correct answer to this question is option A, that is, both statement. The first and the second statement are correct regarding Article 26 Clause C, that is, right to ownership of property. The next question is, who was the chairman of the drafting committee? Options are A. N. Gopalaswamy, B. K.M. Munshi, C. N. Madhava, or D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The correct answer to this question is option D, that is, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution. The next question is, who is the head of judiciary in the state? Options are A. Governor, B. Chief Minister, C. High Court, or D. Supreme Court. The correct answer to this question is option C, that is, the High Court is head of judiciary in the state. The next question is, the members of the Panchayats are what are the from the following? Options are A. Nominated by the district officer, B. the electorates of the respective territorial constituencies, C. the nominated by local self-government ministers of the state, and D. nominated by the block development organization. The correct answer to this question is option B, that is, the members of panchayats are the electorates of the respective territorial constituencies. The next question is, Chhattisgarh came into existence on which date? Options are A. 1st November 2000, B. 1st November 2001, C. 1st November 2002, or D. 1st November 2003. The correct answer to this question is option A, that is, 1st November 2000, Chhattisgarh
Next
came
question
into
is,
existence.
which article ensures abolition of titles?
Options are A. Article 16, B. Article 17, C. Article 18, or D. Article 19. The correct answer to this question is option C, that is Article 18. The next question is, who was the India's constitutional advisor? Options are A. Mr. B. L. Mittal, B. Mr. K. M. Munshi, C. Mr. B. N. Rao, or D. Mr. A. K. Iyer. The correct answer to this question is option C, that is, Mr. B. N. Rao was the constitutional advisor. Mr. B. N. Rao was also the first Indian judge of the International Court of Justice. The next question is, which article is related to abolition of untouchability? Options are A. Article 20, B. Article 19, C. Article 18, or D. Article 17. The correct answer to this question is option D, that is Article 17. So now let's see what does Article 17 states and what does it mean. The next question is, Nagaland was created as a separate state in which of the years? Options are A. 1960, B. 1961, C. 1962, or D. 1963. The correct answer to this question is option D. That is, in 1963, Nagaland was created and was recognized as a separate state. Nagaland, after becoming a separate state, became the 16th state of India on 1st December 1961. Which article of the Constitution empowers the Parliament to form a new state by altering the boundaries of the existing state? Options are A. Article 1, B. Article 2, C. Article 3, or D. Article 4. The correct answer for this question is Article C. That is, Article 3 empowers the Parliament to form a new state by altering the boundaries of the existing states. The next question is, who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Options are Mr. Sukumar Sen, B. K.V.K. Sundaram, C. S.P. Sen Verma, or D. T.N. Seshan. The correct answer to this question is Mr. Sukumar Sen was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India.